Our world is growing. People move. Rural becomes urban. New megacities emerge. Demographics shift and the workforce declines. Cities bear the burden of change. Construction produces 40% of global emissions. What was once common becomes rare. Water grows scarce. Sand runs out. Global resources decrease. As leaders worldwide pledge to combat climate change, Sika moves forward, transforming the industry, creating sustainable solutions for future generations. Recycling, minimizing waste, and creating cities worth living in. Technology and digitalization are pushing us forward. Sika's heart beats for innovative solutions. Sustainable living becomes possible, matching our growth with our clients' ambitious goals. We go beyond the expected for a better tomorrow. Sika, building trust.